Imagine the sky lighting up with vibrant hues of green, purple, and pink, all thanks to a cosmic phenomenon that sounds like something straight out of a science fiction novel. A cannibal solar storm is on its way to Earth, and it's set to put on a spectacular show in the skies. But here's where it gets controversial. While this natural light show is breathtaking, it also packs a punch that could disrupt our technology. Let's dive in and explore the fascinating and potentially disruptive world of solar storms. Published September 1st, 2025, 6:13 p.m. MST. Astronomers are keeping a close eye on a powerful geomagnetic storm expected to hit Earth on September 1st, 2025. In some regions, this celestial event will be a visual treat, but it's not just about the pretty lights. Fox 10's Ashley Rodriguez brings us the details. Phoenix. If you thought the monsoon storm that swept through the valley on August 24th was intense, wait until you hear about the Cannibal solar storm that could make its way to Earth on September 1st. This isn't your average weather event. It's a cosmic spectacle that could light up the night sky in ways you've never seen before. The backstory. Astronomers are monitoring a geomagnetic storm that's expected to make landfall, and they're predicting it will be quite the sight to behold. However, don't expect the same level of brightness in Arizona as in other parts of the world. This storm is dubbed a Cannibal solar storm because the sun is anticipated to release 2 solar ejections. One of these ejections will essentially consume the other, resulting in a massive, chaotic cloud of plasma. It's a rare and dramatic event that has astronomers and skywatchers alike eagerly awaiting its arrival. It is en route, said Sean Dahl, a service coordinator for the Space Weather Prediction Center. There are specific indicators that tell us something is moving through space, and we are seeing signs that this is getting pretty close. Big picture view. The Space Weather Prediction Center reports that an ejection erupted from the sun on Saturday and is hurtling towards Earth at speeds exceeding 2 million miles per hour. This cosmic projectile is expected to reach our atmosphere by late afternoon on Monday, Eastern Standard Time. The hope is that this storm will trigger a magnetic storm, sparking an aurora borealis effect that will paint the skies with glowing greens, purples, and pinks. It's a sight that many, including photographer McCarthy, crave. When these high-energy particles hit the atmosphere in these big waves, suddenly everything just lights up, McCarthy explained. It moves in real time, almost like water. Most of the videos you see aren't time lapses. It actually does move that fast. What they're saying, McCarthy traveled all the way to Canada last May to capture the aurora created by a powerful solar storm. There's a chance that we could see something here in Arizona, he said. I'm definitely going to be outside tonight with my camera, trying to see if I can catch any hint of a red glow in the sky. That red glow is really indicative of the aurora getting pushed down to southern latitudes. The other side? While solar storms are sought after for their beauty, they also pack a powerful punch. Although they're not directly dangerous to people on Earth, they can wreak havoc on technology. One major concern is the electric power grid, which encompasses pretty much the entire power grid of North America. From damaging power grids and causing widespread outages to short-circuiting satellites and disrupting GPS and communication systems, these storms can have a significant impact. It's the job of the Space Weather Prediction Center to prepare the country and astronauts in space for what could happen if a solar storm scales up to a G3 force or higher. The heart of the whole situation is the orientation of that magnetic field in the CME, Dahl explained. But if it turns or goes south, then you connect. Then all that energy drives these forces, and we can really escalate quickly in these geomagnetic storms. What you can do. The aurora is expected to be most visible in the northern states, but you can watch the solar storm in real time at spaceweather.gov. The storm is anticipated to last into tomorrow, so don't be surprised if your GPS starts acting up. And this is the part most people miss. While the aurora is a stunning natural phenomenon, it's also a reminder of the raw power of the sun and its potential to disrupt our modern way of life. So, as you gaze up at the night sky, marveling at the colors, take a moment to appreciate the delicate balance between beauty and chaos that exists in our universe. Now, here's a thought-provoking question for you. Do you think the potential risks of solar storms outweigh their aesthetic benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's spark a discussion on this fascinating and controversial topic.